Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to change a toilet seat like this one on this toilet. So this is a low level toilet, the flush pipe coming in at the top of the toilet. So as you can see, these fixings were a cheap plastic toilet seat, so we're going to remove that and put a decent stainless steel fixed toilet seat with a wooden lid that is very durable in its place. So first of all, what you want to do is put some rubber gloves on, like I am now. So these are actually grippers, which is a large size, which fits my medium-large hands. So that is what, first of all, you want to do that. Make sure you're protected and put some gloves on. Then you also want to clean the toilet, which I've already done. So after everything is clean and ready, you want to remove the fixings. So this is a plastic cover on the top that comes off, and then you want to remove everything that from the top and unscrew the bolt from underneath to the fixing of the seat. So you want to remove both of these, left and right. If these are corroded on and you can't turn them, then I'll leave a video in the top right on how to change a toilet seat with corroded fittings. So this will teach you how to remove the fixings from the toilet if they're corroded on. But if they're not corroded on, then carry on watching this step by step. So that's the left one removed. Now we're going to remove the right one. Same process, lefty loosey, undo that bolt all the way down and then remove it. And there you go. So with both bolts removed, you're going to then clean the area where they sat, because there will be a bit of dirt and grime underneath there and you want it nice and clean. So with that nice and clean, we're then going to grab our new toilet seat, put all the old stuff to one side or in the bin as you don't need it. So as you can see, it comes with some instructions on how to fit the toilet seat. If you're not sure, each toilet seat is different, so do read the instructions carefully. They do teach you different processes on how to do the fixings. Some you have to do left and right, some you can do them both at the same time. So just follow the instructions carefully, but this is normally how to fit a new toilet seat. So first of all, what you want to do is put the actual toilet seat to one side. That's probably the last thing you're going to need, and grab the metal fixings in a clear plastic bag. You want all them parts. There are some small parts in there, so don't be losing any of it. So the first thing you want to grab is these rubber washers. Now these stick to the underside of the large circular fixing, so they only go one way round. There is a thin side and a thick side. It also has some grooves in that you need to push into the shroud, and that locates inside the fixing, and you've got to do this for both of them, so you prepare these first. So as you can see, the white bits on top of the chrome are the plastic rubbers that you need to put on, so they go round a certain way. So make sure you push them on firmly, and then you move on to the next step. Some toilet seats come with these bolts already attached, so don't worry about this, but for this toilet seat you put the bolt through the middle hole. Make sure that's secured tightly, left and right. Make sure you don't cross thread these. If you do think you cross thread it, then unwind it and then flip the bolt round and use the other side. So with them both in, you then got to grab the instructions and look at the order that you need to fix these bolts through the toilet. So just line these up into the holes and put your toilet seat in, like so. Just lean that back so it doesn't fall forwards, like so. Or you can shut the lid, like so, just by slowly So here I'm just twisting the fixings so the toilet seat lines up with the shape of the bowl. So these ones do just spin. So I'm just going to close that, then grab the fixings, pull them straight so I can see the position I want the toilet. Just like that. You just check the front lip. So with a toilet seat, the actual lip wants to be overhang the bowl a bit, so you can actually grab it with your finger. You don't want it to look flush with the toilet. I know that's the way you'd like it to be, but how are you going to grab the toilet seat without touching the dirty bowl? So you do want a bit of an overhang when fitting a toilet seat. Then in your instructions, like I was saying, you want to look for the fixings underneath and the order that you've got to put them in. So this toilet seat, it went rubber washer, there was quite a big fixing, plastic fixing, then a metal bolt and a metal washer. So you've got to find the order, then kind of stack them, grab the order in your hand and place them on one by one onto the bolts. So as you can see, we've got a plastic domed washer, a plastic fixing, a metal washer, then the nut to fix it all on. So one by one, you just want to slide them up, make sure they don't fall off. This kit can be quite fiddly, so just take your time and you'll probably need both hands to get it done. Slide them all up and get that bolt started. And wind that nut all the way up. Don't do this tight, just do it loose for now, and then you can work on the other side doing exactly the same. Most toilet seats do come with a fixing key, should we call it, so you can just tighten it up like so. Now just moving on to the right side, doing the same thing, sliding them all up and loosely tightening them on. So once you're happy with the position of the toilet, then you can tighten them up. Do one side at a time and then do the other side, and then check, once you've done it a little bit tight, that you're happy with how the toilet seat works, manoeuvres and the position of it. And once you're definitely happy of the position of it, you can then give it a final tighten. Next, with this toilet seat comes some Allen keys that just secure the fixings in place. Not every toilet seat has this, but this brand does. So just tighten all the Allen keys up a little bit more, just to stop it from wiggling. And with them all nice and tight, and all the fittings underneath tight as well, that is how you fit a brand new toilet seat. If this video has helped, please leave a comment to say it's helped. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Here you go, how to fit a toilet seat. I hope you have a good day, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.